Hey guys, it's me, Muhammad. This is what happened in Hurricane Sandy. It was yesterday at night. So pretty much nothing happened around here for sure. So we got rain all over the place. See all the debris on the floor, debris everywhere. And there's two workers over there. I can't zoom in because I have my phone. Two workers over there. See the yellow piece right there. Yeah, people over there walking. Hilly. Oh, it's called. It's got the garbage. People are here. No debris. This is New York, United States, Queens. So, yeah, guys. It's chilly, it's cold, it's rainy, it's everything on time. Okay, alright, peace. Please subscribe and comment.